Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to an absolute game changer for students. Caktus AI. Whether you're struggling with writing essays, solving tricky math problems, or diving into coding languages, Caktus has got your back. Let's dive right into how you can use Caktus to ace your academic journey. Essay Writer. Say goodbye to writer's block. With Caktus AI's Essay Writer, you can instantly craft well-structured essays with proper citations. It's like having a personal writing assistant right at your fingertips. Math Science Assistance. Stuck on a math problem? Caktus AI makes complex equations and word problems a breeze with step-by-step solutions explained in plain language. From algebra to physics, Caktus has got you covered. Coding support. Whether you're learning Python or Java, Caktus is your one-stop destination for coding help. With explanations and code converters for over 10 languages, mastering programming has never been easier. Personalized writing style. Ever wished your writing could sound more like, well, you? With Caktus AI, you can upload samples of your own writing to personalize its style. It's like having your own writing clone. 100% academic sources. Worried about plagiarism? Don't be. Caktus AI is integrated with Core, ensuring that all references come from published papers. Say hello to credible research papers. So, how do you get started? Just head over to the Caktus website, sign up, and unleash the power of AI in your academic life. With over 2 million students already on board, you'll be joining a community that's shaping the future of education. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things Caktus AI. Until next time, happy studying.